Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty back with another video, and today's video with the sun in my eye, kind of, sort of. In this video, I'll talk about the time we live in today. I listen a lot of Gary Vee, and Gary Vee has a lot of good points. And one of the points were that, 20 years ago, there was no YouTube, or 30 years ago, there was no YouTube, there was no smartphones. There was no way for our parents or our parents' parents or grandparents or great-grandparents couldn't go to work 9 to 5, make 4 or 5 YouTube videos, write a blog post, and do whatever, when they want to. There was no way to make money online and be worldwide. Our grandparents, great-grandparents had these stores that was only, tied into one location. Now, stores are all online and people can shop all over the world. And we live in a time where making money is a little bit easier. I mean, you can start a YouTube channel on anything and make money. So, I try to drive this home with other people, and if you're born in the 80s, early 80s or late 80s, it's hard to change our mindset because we grew up, not having a smartphone. I remember getting Nintendo 64 and Nintendo, the Nintendo Super Nintendo, and the 64 and PlayStation, and the first PlayStation and PlayStation 2. There was no smartphones back then. There was no YouTube back then. I remember getting game systems that you had to buy the strategy guide to learn all the codes and cheats. Now you go on YouTube and get it for free. So it's changed so much since I've been growing up, and some people that still stuck in that mindset. But it is what it is. I say take advantage of the times we live in. Take advantage of the fact that you can make a fishing channel and record yourself fishing, and you can just fish and record yourself and make money. It's just a powerful thing. Take advantage of what you have today. They use your cell phone, which everyone has, upload YouTube videos and make money. Learn the fact that you can write blog posts from your phone, upload to your blog, and make money. You could become an influencer. You could have a huge following from your phone, and people will pay you for that following. If you build a big following on Instagram or Pinterest or whatever, companies will pay you to promote their products. I mean, that's just crazy how it is now. So I say take advantage of these times. I definitely am. I'm not an influencer on any social media platform, but I believe in the future, to have another revenue stream, I'm gonna take one of these platforms and really build it up to where it's making some passive income, to build it up to make some money, because I can manage it from my phone. So ignore that. So yeah, I mean, like I said, I got the blog going, YouTube channel going. I'm doing the Acorns app, and you can invest in the stocks on your phone and pay $1 a month to invest in stocks and bonds. Back in the day, it cost thousands of dollars in stocks and bonds. It cost a lot of money. Nowadays, you can invest from your phone for like $5 and get ETFs on your phone. So I got that going. I'm gonna start, hustling Pinterest, hustling Instagram, because I could do that on my phone. And if I build a big enough audience, I can get paid from companies to promote the product. So please get in tune with the time. Please get in tune with the times that we live in. Please get in tune. That is a great opportunity to make some money, some really good money, and money that can possibly pay a lot of bills. Okay, so that's the end of my video. Just take heed of, you could take your car and become a taxi driver from Uber and get paid while you're not working your full-time job. So our parents and grandparents couldn't do that. They had to be a taxi driver full-time. Well, you could do a taxi driving service part-time. We get off work, you could do it for a couple hours and go home. And it's easier that way. It's your pace. You could go how fast you want to go. You want to take the day off, you can. So it's easier nowadays to file your taxes online. I mean, everybody does. Paying your bills is online. I remember writing checks for all my bills. And I went to the bank one day. I was very young, like 20, and she was like, my bank teller told me, "Do you know you can file you can pay online your bills?" I'm like, "Really? I don't have to come here and get more checks. I don't have to pay for more checks. I wait for 5 days for the check to clear. It would clear in 2 days. I could pay my bills from home and not spend time and money on stamps and envelopes. I can do that? Yeah. Okay." Times have changed. Times have changed, and you got to change along with it. So my message today is take advantage of the online space. Take advantage of the fact you can make money from a YouTube channel that's cost you nothing to start and nothing to run. Take advantage of all these opportunities, because who knows, YouTube might start charging money every month. Who knows? I don't think they will do that. It's a free platform because everyone uses it. But again, you don't know. You have Google, you have Pinterest, you have Instagram. Take advantage of these platforms and try to make the money now versus making it in the future. Okay, so that's the end of my video. Just take heed. If you take nothing away from this video, start now, because this wasn't available 20 years ago. Just imagine if your parents had a YouTube channel when you were growing up, and they gave you a YouTube channel when you were growing up, and all the toys you played with, they got paid for that, and your parents built a YouTube channel up to make 3-4 grand a month passive income. Imagine how your life would be different. If you didn't have a lot of money growing up. If you did have a lot of money growing up, then it wouldn't bother you as much. But if you didn't have a lot of money growing up, that would definitely change your outcome in life. That would change your mindset. That would change how you do things, how you live, how you eat. So take heed in the online space. Take heed in making money online. Take heed, and this is an opportunity of a lifetime to grow a business online. There's ways that's only you use your time. But every day I do something online. Every day I do a video, or I write a blog post, or I post a video on YouTube, or whatever. Every day I'm doing something for my business, because the day is not wasted. Technology is taking over really fast. So take heed in today's economy. Take heed in today's technology. Start your business online today. It has multiple things. Now, in my opinion, you could be in multiple things at once, all from your phone. If you want to build a YouTube channel, run a blog, invest in stocks, invest in real estate, because real estate investing now is easier. I mean, crowdfund, I'm doing research on crowdfund. I'm thinking about joining crowdfund. But you can start with $500 minimum, invest in real estate. So you can have all 4 things going for yourself, all from your phone, while working a full-time job. That's how easy it is now. And everyone should be doing it. Everyone should be doing it, but they don't. So I'm doing research on crowdfund.com. I'm gonna check them out, and if I can invest $500 in real estate and get dividends, pay on that, I'll go ahead and do it. So I can do stocks, I can do bonds, real estate, YouTube, blogging, paid traffic, all from my phone, and do it while I have a family at home working full-time, and now I'm about to start Uber on part-time. If I could do this working full-time and part-time and have a family at home to take care of, anyone can do it. So this is Todd from AskKing.com. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.